Merino wool isn't just warm and soft, it's smart, and with the right care, it gets even better over time. As your go-to partner in functional wear, we're here to show you how to take care of it the easiest way. First tip, roll your merino clothes instead of folding them. But here's the trick, roll them gently and in the opposite direction of the knit twist. That helps avoid stretching the fabric. Want fewer wrinkles? Pack them next to your laptop or charger. The light heat helps the fibers bounce back during your trip. Got deep creases? Just hang your merino in the bathroom while you take the shower. Bonus points if you fill the top with cold water to control the steam. Need a quick fix? Use a thin cloth demanded with a bit of vinegar and water. Then gently press, never iron wool directly. Wool socks, super easy. Turn them inside out and clean inside where sweat and dirt hide. Wash with cold or warm water, no hot, on a gentle cycle. Use a wool-friendly or baby-safe detergent, no bleach, no fabric softeners. Best to air dry, but if you are in a rush, low heat tumble dry is okay. Just skip the dryer sheets. Got a merino t-shirt? Turn it inside out, toss it in the washer or gently mold with cold water. Keep it away from heavy stuff like jeans or zippers. Use a mild detergent and skip the softener. After washing, lay it flat on a towel, gently reshape it and let it air dry. Easy. Wool shirt? Hand wash is best. Cold water and gentle detergent. Soak it for about 10 minutes, or put it in a mesh laundry bag and wash on wool or delicate mold. Same rinse temperature as wash. That stops the fiber from shrinking. After washing, roll it in a towel and press gently with your hand or feet. Never wring. Dry flat or hang with all buttons undone. And if needed, steam it, don't iron straight on. Wine or blood stain, sprinkle some salt and dab with cold sparkling water. Smells like smoke or just warm for a while? Hang it outside in the breeze and let the sun do its thing. To avoid that underarm odor, apply deodorant 30 minutes before putting on your shirt. Magnesium-based deodorant are best, gentle on you and on wool. Forget fancy detergents with enzymes, they can break down wool. Baby shampoo works just fine. Keep the water cool. Around 29 degrees Celsius or 84 degrees Fahrenheit is perfect. In your last rinse, add a drop of silicone-free hair conditioner to keep it soft and comfy. No dryer? No problem. Lay your merino wool on a towel, roll it up, and step gently on it. Your body weight gets rid of most of the water in seconds. Then reshape it while it's still damp. Sleeve body color so it dries just right. Storing for the season? Pop your clean merino in the freezer for 72 hours first. It kills any moth eggs or larvae. Then seal it in a vacuum bag with a sachet of black pepper or lavender. Smells great and keeps the bugs out. See? Merino doesn't need high maintenance, just smart care. And when you treat it right, it keeps performing for years. At NRUp, we build this know-how into every piece we make. Want the tech behind our wool treatment? Just DM us Wool Lab and let's talk innovation.